In this tutorial, you'll design a creative icon set in Photoshop using custom shapes to build cohesive symbols. Start with a square canvas. Use the Custom Shape tool to draw basic geometric shapes like circles, triangles, and squares as the icon foundations. Layer smaller shapes inside the main shapes to form distinct icons. Use the Type tool to add small labels beneath each icon for identification. Adjust alignment and spacing so each icon feels balanced and evenly distributed. Duplicate and rotate shapes for variety while maintaining style consistency. Refine shape proportions and stroke weight for harmony. Zoom out. The icon set now looks cohesive, clean, and ready for digital use.